Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to order on Shein. So to do that, first let's head on to Shein. Alright, so once you're here, just pick up any items that you want to order. So I'm just going to click here and then select any items that I want to order. So now all you have to do is click on this item. Alright, so I want to order this, so all you have to do is go back and then just click on this cart, and now just click on add to cart. So I'm just going to select this size, click on add to cart. Alright, so it has been already added to my cart. So now just head on to this cart. Alright, so once you have placed your order, you can see the option for checkout. So just click on checkout, and now you have to just fill in the details, and after that you can place the order, which is number 3. So since I don't have the cards right now, so I can do that, but that is how you can do it, and then your order will be placed on Shein. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.